This is a simple steam engine. You've got a little candle down here that burns. This actually an alcohol lamp. If you take the lid off here, you can see there's a little filament. There's alcohol in there. Here's a little boiler full of water. Okay. Well, let's try it.
Okay.
Can we try it?
Absolutely.
This is a lighter. Okay, we now have a fire. Okay. And so that fire is heating up the water inside of this little boiler. Mm-hmm. And when it starts boiling, then it'll start shooting the steam out. And I've got 3 places for it to come out. And Sir Isaac Newton says, to every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So the steam shooting out should force this thing to go the other direction, and it should spin.
Okay.
Would that be almost as good as having a locomotive?
It would, almost. Do you see?
So then you feel better?
Yeah, I want to see it spin.
Well, you have to tell me that this is going to make it up.
It's going to make it up.
We're going to be good.
We're going to be good.
Okay, go ahead and get warm. So I think I can hear it getting warm. Can you hear it getting warm? What does getting warm sound like anyway?
It sounds like...
Don't look at it. One of the first things you'll learn is that it'll never boil while you're looking at it.
It's so little.
So you got to look away.
It's so little.
It's so little. Well,
but you could probably start hearing those molecules get excited in there.
Those molecules, I could hear them.
Yeah.
I can hear water when it boils. I can't hear it yet. I can hear the little flame.
I can hear something.
Can you hear something? What do you hear? Well, that's pretty nice. Well, anyway, like most science experiments. Now, the reason this isn't working is A, because I didn't put any water in it. Oops. Or B, another hypothesis, because it's still getting hot, because it has to get hot to boil.
I think it's, I can see it.
Oh, I can hear steam. I can hear steam.
See, I could hear the molecules.
It work?
I wasn't
Could it
fibbing.
work? There's just not enough steam to make it go, though, is there?
It's just not enough. That's so fun. Look at that.
And we're off to the races.
Jay likes
we
that.
We have a steam engine. So now we have rotary motion created by just a flame, just by heat.
Okay, that's cool.
And there it goes.
I was getting more and more and more and more excited.
How about that? And we saw it right here on Science Live.
You're teasing me, no water in there. Aw. Yeah.
Stop. Okay. And the fact that it stopped confirmed my hypothesis. It was the flame that was powering it.